In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Google Analytics. Whether you're collaborating with team members or working with external partners who need access to your analytics data, knowing how to add new users is essential for seamless teamwork and efficient management. We'll take you step by step through the process, making it straightforward to navigate. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to go to the Analytics Tools and Solutions page on Google Analytics' official website. You can easily find this by doing a quick web search for Google Analytics and navigating to the official site. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the specific analytics you want to modify. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics home. At this stage, you'll see an overview of your data with various metrics and reports. Our focus here is not on the data, but on setting up access. So next, look for the little gear icon, which represents settings. It's generally found on the lower left-hand side of the page. Click on it and this will take you into the admin settings. Within the settings panel, locate and click on admin. Here is where you manage the specifics of your analytics account, property, and view. Your screen will be divided into 3 columns, arranging options for account, property, and view settings across Google Analytics. Now direct your attention to the account column on the left side. Here you'll find the account access management option, which is exactly where you need to be to add or manage users. Click on this to proceed. In the account access management section, you'll see a list of current users who have access to this analytics account. To add a new user, find the blue plus sign or add user button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click it and a new page will open for you to enter the details of the person you want to add. You'll need the Gmail address of the new user. Enter it carefully and choose the appropriate permissions for their access level. There are several options to choose from depending on how much control you want to give them, from just being able to read and analyze data to being able to edit settings and manage users. Once you've selected the desired permissions, hit the Add button to finalize. The new user will receive an email notification that they now have access to your Google Analytics account. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to Google Analytics, making collaboration on your data easier than ever. Thank you for tuning in and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.